In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix a leak in the drip line. All right, first, we gotta shut the water off. All right, now that we have the water off, gonna need a coupling. It looks like this coupling, and gonna need a knife, or if you don't have a knife, you can use scissor. So okay, we're gonna use scissor and cut it right where the leak is, which is right here. All right, I'll put a little bit in this pan. There you go. All right, so I like to use, like, it could be cream, or it could be grease. In this case, I'm gonna use a little bit of grease to connect this coupling inside this drip line. All right, so using this grease, it will be much easier to install it. I'll show you. All right, see, there you go. And because this line is flexible, I don't need any more coupling, so it looks like this will do it. So like I said, I'm gonna use, like I said, you could use grease, you could use cream. I'm gonna use a little bit of grease so I can make it the proper connection. Let's see. All right, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna turn the water back on to see if that will do it. Okay, let me turn the water back on. All right, looks like that did it. So there's no more leak. All right, so that's how you fix a drip line with just one coupling. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe.